Okay, now we are start to text the pizza. Now, as you can see, the middle point of the pizza stone now reached 460 degrees. So this is enough to bake the pizza. Okay, now. So this is the pizza. And when we put inside the pizza, we need to turn the fire to the minimum. So now we are start counting. So as you can see, the fire is a medium fire. So we need to see how many seconds can cook the pizza. Now it's the 1 minute 60 seconds. See, this is the pizza. 90 seconds. 90 seconds. So we turn it down. Ooh, it's very hot. So we see the bottom side